how to manage Google password on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Chrome app. After click on Chrome app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings and click on Google password manager, and you will see your password is showing here. If you want to manage Google password, so click on password. If you want some change, click on edit and you will see. If you want to see Google password, so click on password, you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can manage Google password on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.